What if I told you exercise doesn't just build muscles? It can actually slow down time for your cells. Scientists now have evidence that exercise may reverse your biological clock. Your biological clock shows your cell's real age, not what's on your ID. Tiny chemical changes in your DNA, called methylation, reveal how old your cells truly are. Regular exercise changes those methylation patterns. It switches on repair genes and boosts cellular energy, making your biological clock tick slower. At the ends of your DNA are caps called telomeres. Every cell division shortens them, but exercise activates telomerase, the enzyme that keeps them young. By turning inflammation and repair genes on and off, exercise literally makes your body act younger. In studies of over 1,000 people, regular exercisers had biological ages up to 9 years younger than their real age. Every heartbeat during exercise turns back the clock, one beat at a time.